In news from Afghanistan, the Taliban, while raising objection over the Afghan government's move to convene a Loya Jirga, a grand assembly of elders to decide on the fate of 400 prisoners, has called it illegal. The militant group said all factions should avoid such obstacles in the way of the peace process.
The Taliban has said the Afghan government's move to convene a Loya Jirga, a grand assembly of elders, about the fate of 400 prisoners has no legal grounds and that all factions should avoid creating obstacles in the way of the Afghan peace process. The Taliban, in a statement on Wednesday, said as Afghanistan is in dire need of peace and intra-Afghan negotiations following the agreement terminating the occupation of Afghanistan, it is imperative that all sides understand the need of this time and refrain from creating obstacles for the present opportunity. Meanwhile, officials of the Loya Jirga Organizing Committee has said that the government will only seek suggestions for the fate of the 400 Taliban prisoners from the Loya Jirga and will not be authorized to pardon prisoners when it comes to their release. This comes as Afghan President Ashraf Ghani last week confirmed that the government had released 4,600 Taliban prisoners out of the 5,000 pledged in an agreement signed in February by the United States and the Taliban. But he said he had no authority under the country's constitution to release the remaining 400 inmates on the Taliban's list because of their involvement in serious crimes. Ghani then announced he would summon a consultative Loya Jirga to decide the fate of the remaining 400 prisoners on the Taliban's list.